Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. It is 1:28 and I have to be somewhere at 2 o'clock. No time to shave. There's always time to shave. I'm going to do a quick one and done with the R41 loaded with a feather blade that's been used twice. Warm up the face. I did just take a shower. I'm going to warm my beard just real quick. Splash some water on. Grab your nearest shaving cream or soap, Tob's Peppermint right here. Remove the lid. Grab your brush, soaking in some hot water. Shake out the water, because I'm in a hurry. I don't have time to mix a lot of lather. Wet the tips. Just like that. Under the water, just a couple drops. Under the water. Right on the beard. Start lathering. Drive it in. As you did see, I had some pretty heavy beard growth, so several days. Set that down. Clear the runways. Grab the razor. Find your angle. One side filled, flip it. Rinse. Tons of stubble going down the drain. Left side. Left. Rinse. Rinse. Mustache. That's it. One pass, done. Rinse off. Allen block. "15 seconds. We're in a hurry. Then rinse it. Pat the face dry. Little aftershave. One pass, baby smooth. 132. See you next time. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. And don't be late.